She loves you.
I don't want to play with her right now. I don't want to play with her right now, Papa.
No? I think she wants to play with you.
I don't want to play with her. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it right now. I don't want you. I don't want you, Leda. I don't want you. Stop it, Leda. Stop it, Leda. Stop it. I want Leda to stop. Papa. I want Leda to stop it. I want Leda to stop it now.
She loves you. She wants to play with you, Grayson.
I know, I'm not playing with her right now. I don't want to play with her right now.
Well,
Well, stop. I mean, real stop, Leda.